When we show our love, it's a gift from God above. A toy, a smile, or just a hand. Sharing makes the world so grand. Caring means sharing every day, helping others along the way. With open hearts we give and show kindness and love, we help them grow. A little kindness goes so far, it lights the world like a shining star. Sharing joy with those in need, together we plant a caring seed. Caring means sharing every day, helping others along the way. With open hearts we give and show kindness and love, we help them grow. We'll share a smile, a hand, a song. Sharing helps us all belong. Through big or small, it's clear to see